Hey, welcome back, YouTube. It's your boy, Elevated Trucking with Rob. This is just do another quick video. Tires is about due, so it's time to swap them out. But here's a little tire checker. It'll show you the 30 seconds on your tires. Anyway, this is how you test it. You look here, put it in the groove, and it looks like I have 5:30 seconds. Anywhere like 6:30 seconds. There it goes. 6:30 seconds on my spread axle. And then these are what's going to make me get my tires immediately. Let's see. The grooves on this side ain't, bad enough. So we got 4:30 seconds. So it barely passes inspection. But this side, okay, it's about 3:30 seconds. So I'm due. Especially when you start seeing that. Alright, let's see. Yeah, I'm about due. Now these were some recap tires that I actually had to get last year because they wouldn't have passed at all. They still got a nice amount of tread on this. In order to have even balance, I think I'm gonna just get them all done. I did price some tires out. I mean, I could go cheaper getting recast, but the only thing is you got to worry about what they call them, tire gators. The whole recap part falling off of the darn truck. And I definitely want to have even tires. It makes for a better ride. I'm going to get some good tires though. So tune in. I'll let you know how much they cost if you want to replace all 8 trailer tires as an owner op or your own authority. But thanks for checking me out. Elevated Trucking with Rob. I'll hit you tomorrow when I go get my tires put on. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back. About to do some maintenance on this trailer. It's about time for these trailer tires to get replaced. These ain't too bad, but these are recap. I had to go, the cheap route last year when I first got this trailer. Save a couple dollars. These, they'll pass right now, but they're like a 30 second away from being, maybe 30 seconds away from failing. And this is like right on the money. But anyway, we here at Dice Tire Service. They do pretty good. They specialize in tires, so get these bad boys swapped out. Yeah, gotta take care of the truck, man. Save up your money, cause these tires, man, they're arm and a leg, man. Okay, welcome back. Elevated Trucking with Rob. So I had to swap out my trailer tires, all 8. This is the new def right here. Virgin rubber, Roadmasters. $500 a piece $500 a piece. 8 tires, $4,000. But they actually gave me around $350 back for the old 8 tires. So which bring the total to about $3,600. Got to be ready for that maintenance, man. Got to be ready for that maintenance. I'll go ahead and get my little tire checker. Show you how much tread's on it now. All right, here's my handy little tire checker. Definitely want to be DOT compliant. So you see now it's at about 23:30 seconds. And all 8 of them are the same. So be ready. For you owner operators or you people starting your new authority, be ready for the maintenance, man. Be ready. Just start putting money to the side. Actually, I might need to get these done. I still got a nice amount of tread on there. I might have to get all 8 of these done. Legally, I can run them. But safety, I'll probably get them done right before the winter. Get all 8 of them done too. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, checking us out. Elevated Trucking with Rob. If you like the content, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. And when I learn something, you do. Till next time, peace out.